replacing the old self with the true self. This is not an affirmation. This is a reprogramming command spoken out loud so your subconscious can listen and receive. You don't need to repeat it. Just listen. Let it sink in again and again until it becomes part of you. Each command in this series is designed to be absorbed daily for 7 to 21 days, or whenever your system needs a reset. These are not motivational phrases. They are energetic instructions, spoken with authority so your inner structure can align. Find a quiet space. Breathe. Let your subconscious receive. I now command from my divine right and from the sovereignty of my being that all energetic, mental, emotional, and physiological roots of the old self be fully brought into the light, recognized, and released with clarity, firmness, and gentleness. I command that all fear-based patterns, self-doubt, compliance born of survival, all identities shaped by guilt, shame, or the need to please, all inherited or imposed limitations, and all memories that keep me tied to outdated versions of myself, be completely released from my physical, mental, emotional, and energetic body, from all planes and all realities of my being. I now command my nervous system to recalibrate to the frequency of authentic presence. I command my mind to recognize and trust the truth of who I am, and every cell in my body to remember, activate, and sustain the pattern of my true, unfiltered self. I command that every reflex, every tone in my voice, every decision be shaped now by the identity I consciously choose. I command that all old emotional hooks be dissolved and replaced with unwavering self-respect, inner stability, and grounded confidence. In place of the old self, I now command the permanent installation of a new program. Clear self-knowing, steady inner strength, expansion, safety, abundance, freedom, and the natural magnetism of living as my true self. I command this new program to be installed now, instantly and irrevocably, in all structures of my being, in my DNA, in my subconscious, in my cells, and in all dimensions of time and space. The old coordinates are erased. My subconscious has accepted the new map. My inner compass is now aligned with truth, growth, and fulfillment. I am stabilized in the version of me who already lives the life I choose. I embrace this reality fully as I have shifted from within. My emotions, my decisions, my energy field now respond only to the truth of who I am. Every part of my mind and body responds to this command. I now live as my true self. The command is sealed, and so it is.